Hello friend, welcome to my channel. So before starting the video, I want to tell that this video is just for educational purpose, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Then let's start the video. So today we will discuss the drug Tulsi. Before going to the study part, we should know what the Tulsi plant is. So basically Tulsi is widely used in Indian household and temple for worship, which bears testimony to its incredible advantages. And these miraculous leaves have some matchless medical qualities and can help prevent as well as cure several illness and health issues. So due to its many medicinal property, we are studying it in pharmacy and medical for education and for preparing many medicines. The synonyms are holy basil, sacred basil, and queen of herbs. Then the biological source is Tulsi consists of fresh and dried leaves of Ocimum scantum. बेसिकली हम तुलसी प्लांट का लीव्स यूज़ करते हैं एज मेडिसिनल पर्पज़, और तुलसी प्लांट को भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं एज मेडिसिनल पर्पज़. मीन्स लाइक रूट्स, दैट सीड्स, फ्लावर्स also they are used for medicinal purposes. Then the family is Lamiaceae, kingdom Plantae, order Lamiales. Then let's see the organoleptic character of Tulsi plant. The color of the plant is green and the leaves are usually green or purple in color, and the seeds are red in color, and the taste is slightly aromatic. Size, it is a much branched small herb, 30 to 75 cm in height, and the leaves are oblong, acute and intermargine. Then the chemical constitute. The Tulsi leaves contain bright yellow colored and pleasant volatile oil up to 0.1 to 0.9%, and it contains approximately 70% eugenol carbapenem 3% and eugenol methyl ether 20%. It also contains caryophyllene, and it also reported to contain alkaloid, glycoside, saponin, tannin, vitamin C, and traces of malic, citric acid and tartaric acid. And the nutritional value is also so high as it contains vitamin A and vitamin C, calcium, zinc, iron, chlorophyll. So let's see the side effect first. मैं आपको साइड इफ़ेक्ट इसलिए पहले बता रही हूँ क्योंकि कोई कोई ऐसे भी होते हैं जो बेनिफिट्स देख के साइड इफ़ेक्ट दिखते नहीं और उसको खाने लगते हैं, देन उसके बाद जो साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स आता है उनको प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो पहले साइड इफ़ेक्ट देखिए, आप बेनिफिट भी देखिए पहले, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट बेनिफिट के साथ आप हर मेडिसिन का आप साइड इफ़ेक्ट भी देखिए. ऐसा नहीं कि सभी मेडिसिन का बस बेनिफिट ही होता है, हर चीज़ का, हर मेडिसिन का साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स भी होता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द साइड इफ़ेक्ट. Tulsi has eugenol, which is found also in clove and balsam of Peru. While small amount of eugenol can prevent toxin-induced damage in the liver, too much of it can cause liver damage, nausea, diarrhea, rapid heartbeat and convulsion. हर चीज़ का ज़्यादा एक्सेस यूज़ करना भी सही नहीं होगा. जैसे तुलसी में यूजिनॉल एक केमिकल होता है जिससे आपका लिवर डैमेज हो सकता है ज़्यादा यूज़ करने से या फिर ज़्यादा खाने से, इनटेक करने से. उससे नौजिया होता है, डायरिया, रैपिड हार्टबीट, कन्वर्शन. सो सेकेंड इज़ chewing tulsi may stain your teeth. Means tulsi leaves contain iron and may therefore stain your teeth when chewed. This may not really affect your dental health but can cause discoloration. And instead of chewing them, you can simply gulp them down with some water. तुलसी को चबा के खाने से आपके टीथ में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, जैसे कि आपका टीथ डिस्कलरेशन हो सकता है, डेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. एंड आप इसे चबा के खाने से बेटर होगा कि आप इसे कुछ पानी में डाल के गल्प कर लें. एंड मे नॉट बी सेफ ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. प्रेगनेंसी में तुलसी लेना जरूर सेफ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज तुलसी लीफ नोन एज एस्ट्रागोल मे कॉज यूटेराइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन। आपकी यूटेराइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में ये रोल कर सकता है, सो आप इसे प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम ना ही लें। तुलसी में इंटरफेयर विथ ब्लड थिनिंग मेडिसिन्स। Basil works as a blood thinner, but this does not typically cause harm. If you are, however, already on blood thinning medication, and it can enhance its effect and cause problem with blood clotting. If you take blood thinner, do check in with your doctors before using Tulsi. Then it may add to the effect of diabetic medication. Various studies have found that Tulsi can lower blood sugar. And if you take medication to control your blood sugar, it may enhance this effect and even cause levels to fall low, means too low. Again, speak to your doctor before consuming Tulsi if you are on medicine for diabetes. Then nausea and vomiting. Consumption of Tulsi on wrong time and in excess amount can lead nausea, vomiting, light headaches, dizziness and irritating. Tulsi does not interact well with medication like heparin, warfarin. Then Tulsi is not safe to be consumed by kids below 3 years. It is used in cough, expectorant, carminative, stomachic, antiprotozoal, antimicrobial, insecticidal. And it also supports normal bronchial lung function, then support normal adrenal function and cortisol level, and the oil is antibacterial and insecticidal. Then the leaves are used as stimulant, aromatic, anticathedral, spasmolytic, and the leaves is used as stomatic also. The drug is a good immunomodulator agent. Then the Tulsi is also used in many skin ointments. Then the Tulsi leaves, seeds, plants and oil arose for medicinal purposes. Then Tulsi exhibit antioxidant activity and support the body's lipid and protein oxidation level and normal oxidant defense reaction. Then Tulsi support normal blood sugar level. Again, Tulsi support normal liver function and normal immune system. Then it also helps in relieving stress. Tulsi is also very effective in improving digestive system. Tulsi helps in clear out the skin of blemishes and acne. It is rich of antioxidants that help it to prevent premature aging. So this is the complete video on Tulsi drug. If you want more video, do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new update, and also like, comment and share the video. Thank you.